This ramen is a total flavor bomb, filled with a rich, flavorful broth, tender meat, noodles, and topped with the crowning glory, if you ask for it, the ramen egg. And there is a reason that ramen is so flavorful. It is pretty time-consuming to make a broth that complex, but I'm telling you, it's insanely delicious. So these are the ingredients, guys. We have ginger, garlic, shiitake mushroom, onion leaves, and lauganma chili paste. You can actually buy this online or just use dried Thai chili. So we are going to use chicken feet. It's already pre-boiled to remove unnecessary skin foam and smell. Just put 2.5 liters of water and combine all ingredients in stock pot and boil it for 4 to 8 hours in a low heat fire. Meanwhile, let's marinate our boneless chicken legs with oyster sauce, white wine vinegar, and soy sauce for at least 30 minutes. Now place it in the griddle pan and cook for 4 minutes each side and set it aside. Now let's assemble our ramen and put our marinated egg, corn, onion leaves, nori sheet, and grilled chicken. Let's add our stock in our noodles. Well, I just used Mickey noodles. Or if you know how to make yakisoba noodles, it will be way better. Enjoy easy homemade chicken ramen with a flavorful broth, juicy chicken, fresh veggies, lots of noodles, and a soft cooked egg. Inspired by traditional Japanese ramen. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button. Thanks!